Number 11, in an office, the number of male workers is 3 times greater than female workers. If there are 60 female workers, how many male workers are in the offices? Use a tape diagram to solve. So we have 3 times greater than female workers. So I'm going to go and get my tape diagram drawn. Now I've got male and female. So my male workers is 3 times greater than females. All right, so they've got 3 for 1. If there are 60 female workers, how many male workers are in the office? Use a tape diagram. So I'm not going to expect you to make all these boxes as long as you can show me your original. So if there's 60 female, so I know this is going to be times 60 because there's only 1 represented right now. So I'm going to do times 60 is going to equal 60 female. I'm going to do the same thing to the top one. So essentially you're supposed to be drawing 60 boxes, but I'm not going to make you do that. This is going to be 100 male. Okay, so again, just showing me the proportion right there. Number 12, there are a total of 63 bikes. If the ratio of blue bikes to black bikes is 4 to 5, so blue, and we're using tape diagram again, and black, so if there are 4 blue and 5 black, how many bikes are blue? And use a tape diagram to solve. So we have a total of 63. So right now we have a total of 9 bikes. And I want to get all the way to 63 bikes. Well, to get from 9 to 63, I did times 7. So I'm just going to increase my boxes so that I have 7 of each. And we're going to make these a little bit smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to have enough space for that one either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 of each box. And when I do that, it's asking me how many of the bikes are blue. So I go back in my blue and it's 4 times 7. So there's going to be 28 blue bikes, and there will be 35 of the black bikes if it was asking that. So because I increased this by 7, I'm going to increase these by 7 as well. All right, finally, using the table to write a ratio for each question, make sure all answers are simplest form. Don't forget to do that. So Mr. Adams is helping to organize a box full of colored pencils in his math class before they start working on the project. In the table of the results that he found, use the table to write the ratio in simplest form. Whenever you see that, do it. All right, so first, before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and find the total number of crayons because I can see all crayons occurring over there. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 54 crayons in total. And I'm going to double check again. 5, 6, 7, 9, 4, 9, 6, 8. Okay, so it's 54. So my first question says compare green crayons to all crayons. So my green crayons are right here. So I've got 9 to 54 because it's all crayons. Well, 9 and 54 have a common factor of 9. So it's going to simplify down to 1 per 6. So that will be my final answer because they both have 9. Divide by 9, divide by 9. The next one is red and pink crayons compared to black crayons. So red and pink is 13 crayons compared to black. The black is 9. And make sure it's very important you're putting the colors in the right order. So if it said red and pink, it goes first. It has to go first in my answer as well. So 13 to 9. And there's nothing in common, no factors in common for that one. black crayons, so 9 again, compared to purple crayons. So purple is 4, so 9 to 4. And again, they can't be simplified because they don't have any common factors. And my last one is brown crayons, so 6, compared to non-browns. That means all of the rest of the crayons. So I'm going to do 54 minus 9, and that's going to be 45. Sorry, did I say minus 9? Brown, it should be 6. Sorry, 54 minus 6, that's going to be 48. And 6 and 48 do have a common factor of 6. I'm going to divide by 6 for both of them, and that's going to be 1. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So 1 to 8. So that's my final answer for that one as well. So again, simplifying when possible. And that's the Unit 8 study guide. Good luck on your test.